Most people think buying a brand new car means you've made it, but here's the shocking truth: most rich people avoid new cars on purpose, not because they can't afford them, but because they understand something most people don't. By the end of this video, you'll never look at cars the same way again. The biggest lie society tells you is this: a new car is a smart upgrade. The moment you drive a new car out of the showroom, it loses 15–20 of its value instantly. Within 5 years, most new cars lose nearly 50% of their value. That's not an investment, that's a guaranteed loss. Rich people hate guaranteed losses. So why do most people still buy new cars? Because of ego, social pressure, monthly payment thinking. People don't ask, what's the total cost? They ask, can I afford the monthly payment? This mindset keeps people trapped in debt for decades. Rich people think differently. Rich people ask one simple question: what is my money doing for me? A new car does not grow, does not earn, does not compound. Instead, rich people prefer reliable used cars, low maintenance, no long-term debt. They'd rather put extra money into businesses, index funds, real estate, cash reserves, because those things make them richer, not poorer. Here's what most people ignore: a new car doesn't just cost money, it costs opportunity. That same money could build an emergency fund, start investing, eliminate high-interest debt. Rich people understand opportunity cost. That's why they delay pleasure to gain freedom. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy life. It means buy value, not image. Buy reliability, not hype. Buy freedom, not payments. If you want real wealth, keep expenses low. Avoid fast depreciating assets. Invest the difference consistently. That's how wealth is built quietly. Buying a new car may look rich, but thinking long-term makes you rich. If you want more simple money rules like this, subscribe to Learn with Ahmad.